Come, I'll take you inside and give you a closer look at it. So the system it comprises of two parts basically. First side is the system for the passenger area. So the passenger area is basically, here we are using technology which is water mist based, because here people sit, so whatever technology we use has to be very friendly in terms of its usage in the presence of people. So what it does is it has automatic detection, and it's a stored pressure technology where we keep water mist as the agent, and the system is of course has a lot of variants starting from, so depending on the length of the bus, we can configure a system starting from 9 nozzles up to 35 nozzles, with a corresponding agent capacity of 35 litre up to 50 litres in size. So we're talking about accommodating all sorts of bus lengths, with this system.
So we heard that this is a new initiative government has taken.
Correct.
It is already there in the international market. How it is going to help the people and
it is
the
going
industry?
it is going to help the Indian public in a big way. Why? Because see, today in buses, when a fire episode happens, you have so many lives. You have hundreds of lives all stranded in one enclosed environment. Many times you have automatic doors where in case of fire, the doors get locked, and within 3 minutes, within 4 minutes, it just turns into an inferno, and people don't get the time to escape. This system is designed for saving lives at that particular juncture where water mist is thrown in. Lives are saved, and we're not using any chemical agent, we're not using any powder, etc. We're using water mist, which is absolutely safe, on people. And that's the beauty of the system here. Because we're talking about a system which can be activated in the presence of people, and a system designed to truly save lives.
So how do you see the market, that is commercial vehicle segment or passenger vehicle segment?
So right now the point in which we find ourselves is that in the regulatory environment, with the coming of this new mandate, is going to throw open a huge opportunity for manufacturers of systems like this in a big way, because the standard makes it mandatory for long route passenger buses, including school buses, to have the system necessarily in place before they exit from their factory. So this is going to open up the market in a big way for manufacturers like in the segment of fire safety. And we being the pioneer in the category, we thought we should be ready beforehand, and we're one of the very first in the market to have a system ready right in time when the regulation has come out.
So who are the OEMs that are already in talk with you are going to launch them?
See, we've been developing the system only in the past few months or so. I would not have so much market intelligence in terms of the.
So how are you looking the market? How you look in the market, and what are your target areas now going
forward?
Target
area primarily is commercial passenger vehicles.
Agreement with you, what are the services you are going to offer?
So at Ceasefire, what we do is that every time we launch a new product, the product is always launched with a full backup of the service support. This is a new technology which is at the inception stage right now. Very soon we will have a full service support module created around this new technology also. Because any fire system, regardless of the application, whether it is for a bus environment or any other environment, is useless till the time we make sure that it stays in a functional vest all through the time. And service backup, maintenance backup is an absolute must to ensure that. So needless to say, once we have this system launched, a service backup will for sure be provided to all the OEMs.
I would like to ask you about, now we talked about how government is taking initiative to have a fire safety. What do you think, where are the areas where we can improve more, like compared to the international standards?
So this step in itself is a huge leap in India, where this particular regulation is actually going to stand in the favor of the ordinary people who use long distance buses, as a mode of transport, because the systems are designed to safeguard human lives, and are designed in a way that we are able to evacuate passengers in a condition of emergency. So I think it is a right step in the direction of bringing the Indian regulatory environment at par with that of the international standards.
This is my last question. How much you think this could be avoided in the future, looking at the fire safety in India, which is very big topic?
So fire safety in India, especially in the vehicle segment, is concerned, is such an area where the number of fire incidents are growing at an alarming rate. And this is something where specifically designed systems need to be created to address this risk. And this system is not a kind of a system which is adapted from one environment to another. This is a system developed exclusively considering the risk associated with passenger buses, the risk of fire associated with passenger buses. So customized solutions, till the time you don't create customized solutions for specific environments, the problem cannot be solved. And that is, I think, what we're trying to do by creating a system like this, addressing the risk in the passenger buses segment.
Thank you so much for talking.